Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Vault GCP Auth. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and using Vault with Google Cloud Platform Authentication. First, you need to understand what Vault is. Vault is a secrets management tool that securely stores and manages sensitive data, such as API keys, passwords, and certificates. To get started with Vault GCP Auth, you need to have a Google Cloud Platform project and a Vault instance. If you don't have a Vault instance, you can deploy one on your local machine or on a cloud provider. Once you have your Vault instance, you need to enable the GCP Auth backend. This is done by running the command vault auth enable GCP. Next, you need to configure the GCP Auth backend. This is done by running the command vault write auth GCP config. You will need to provide your GCP project ID and credentials. After configuring the GCP Auth backend, you need to create a role. A role defines what permissions a user or service account has in Vault. You can create a role by running the command vault write auth GCP role. You will need to provide a role name and the permissions you want to assign to that role. Once you have created a role, you can authenticate with Vault using your GCP service account credentials. You can do this by running the command vault write auth GCP login. You will need to provide your GCP service account credentials and the role you want to authenticate with. Best practices for using Vault GCP Auth include using least privilege access. This means assigning the minimum permissions required for a user or service account to perform their tasks. You should also use short-lived credentials. This reduces the risk of credentials being compromised. In conclusion, Vault GCP Auth provides a secure way to manage access to your Vault instance using Google Cloud Platform Authentication. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily set up and use Vault GCP Auth to manage access to your sensitive data.